I haven't had any power these past couple of hours, so I was gonna film like a whole get ready with me, get dressed with me, stuff like that, but I figured, hello my son, hello. Anyways, hey baby. I made these really cute fucking shorts, and I figured I would just go ahead, I would just show you guys how I DIY my shorts and stuff. So this is what they look like. I know they don't look all that, but once they're all dressed up and shit, I promise you, these shorts are it. So yeah, here's some detail shots, and I'll put the Instagram name of where I got the inspiration to even make these shorts from. Which positions? Okay, so things you will need. Faux suede cord. You can get this at Walmart. They come in all sorts of neutral colors: gray, black, tan, and then brown. You want to get a cord that matches the stitching of the pants that you'll be using. So cord, scissors, face razor, and pants you don't care about, preferably low-rise jeans. So what you're wanting to do, you want to basically cut these shorts to where they basically look like whitey tighties but jean form. This is my first DIY tutorial. Please bear with me as I hope I get better at this. So you want the lowest part of the shorts to be near the crotch area, and then you want the highest part of the shorts to be over here on the opposing side. So basically it goes in an upward motion like that. I tried to draw a line, but it just looks like a straight line. So I laid my pretty blanket down for you guys so you could have a better visual. Anyways, so this is what I'm talking about. The lowest part near the crotch area, and then the highest part over here on the opposing side. Just want to do the same thing for the other side. Either you can flip this over and cut it that way, or you can just kind of guesstimate. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now that we've got that, it's time to take the belt loops off, and this is where the face razor is going to come in hand. I just cut my finger.
Really? Let me see. Damn, baby.
Got a band-aid, I'm good. But you want to pull the belt loops taut like this, and then you'll see the little threads exposed, and you want to cut those with the razor. But be careful, or you'll end up like me. Alright, hello. So the thread on these is actually super fucking thick, I'm assuming because it's from Hollister, so, you know, expensive. So I just ended up going in with my scissors and just very carefully cutting them, because with the razor I ended up creating a small hole on accident, but surprisingly with the scissors it was all smooth and clean. So yeah, we're gonna do all the cutting stuff first before we start the fraying. Since this is just a one button, what I'm going to do is very carefully just cut off the top stitching, and this will be how we get the banding to be frayed. It would be a lot easier to fray something like this with a fresh cut rather than something that has not been cut. I hope that made sense. Hello, I'm just hitting all angles today, aren't I? So I wanted to try and show you guys how I fray the tops and the bottoms. So you're going to take your face razor and you're just going to just essentially go like this. Hold on, let me flip the camera. Sorry, I don't have a tripod or anything, so this is really hard to do, but you just want to go back and forth like this until you get your desired fray. I'm going to keep going until it is pretty like puffy, I guess that's the word. Yes, this is what we've got so far. Now it's time to add the faux suede cord, so let me get that really quick. So this is what it looks like up close. If any of you guys are old enough to remember, like in the early 2000s, a lot of the clothes had these attached to it, especially like jeans and stuff. It would attach to like, instead of having a button, you would have like this. Okay, now I'm going on a tangent. Anyways, this, well, you know, you don't really need this, but I'm going to use it to make holes right here. Let me try and film this for you, because this is a tutorial, and right now I'm just doing a walkthrough. Hi, how are you? You can really put the suede cord anywhere you want on these shorts, but I'm just going to do it right here along this seam on the side of the shorts. So let's get into it. Let me Get down low for you guys. I'm gonna start like up here towards the band. No, actually, I'm gonna start right here. If you do use this, please be fucking careful, alright? This is dangerous. It's dangerous as work. This fabric is super, super thin, so yeah, and just poke it in there. Kind of twist it a little bit, you know, and pull it out, and you've got your haul. Also, since I haven't said it yet, I just want to say that these shorts are more just for the aesthetic side and not really for like practical stuff, you know. Of course, if you want, you can obviously wear these out, and I know there's a couple bitches that follow me that wear this kind of stuff even on the daily basis, so I know someone will, and this video is for you, baby. Okay, so now we've got the hole the holes, so now let me cut the cord. So this is the more difficult part too, is just having to thread this cord in. So what I do is I put the cord where I put the hole in, and then I just stick it in there with that, grab it from the inside, and boom, there we go. And I just do that the whole time. It's very time consuming. I've been watching this show on Netflix, and it's basically about how movies were made, and most of these movies were made on like super low budgets. And I forgot what movie it was. I think it was Nightmare on Elm Street. And one of the guys said that either low budget or no budget really spurs like creativity, and I was like, that is so fucking true, because you know, whenever you don't have that much to work with, you end up just finding a way to make it work with whatever you've got. So you can make whatever pattern you want. You can just do loops, you can do straight lines, you can do whatever, but I'm just going to do the X all the way down, and then I'm just going to tie it off on the ends. So yeah, I'm going to finish that, and then I'll come back. Okay, so after that, you are pretty much done. So this is what they look like after everything. They are super, super simple, and you can of course keep adding on to it. That was my original plan, but money is super tight. I'm personally broke, so of course go all out with yours if you do decide to make these. But yeah, so this is what they look like up close, and of course I will try them on for you guys with the whole outfit and everything, because although they look simple now, I promise you, bitch, they look so damn good on. I am not kidding. I'm not. Let me get dressed, do my hair, do my makeup. I will be filming a get ready / get dressed with me too, so expect that video coming out, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So here's an up close, all the details. I just attached, this is a necklace, and I just attached it with some safety pins. Here they are without the belt. Still super cute, but these shorts are just like blank shorts, so they can really hold any accessory that you put on them. Okay, as promised, I'll put the other shorts on for you guys, and I'll come back. And here are these shorts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my first DIY video. I hope to keep doing these more, because I actually customize sorry, it's been a long night. I actually customize a lot of my clothes. So yeah, if you guys liked this, please let me know, and I'll keep making them for you. Hope you guys have a good night, day, wherever you are. I love you. Be safe. Bye.